Hi, I'm Mike Heim with Martin Implement, and today we're going to talk about the new control systems and control options inside the 300 series skid loaders and compact track loaders. First thing you'll notice is the addition of an 8-inch multifunction LCD display with reverse camera. The reverse camera improves the visibility behind the operator. You can have it on all the time or just in reverse. There are upgraded functions for controlling the sensitivity of the EH controls. High, medium, low, they are all customizable. The new 8-inch multifunction LCD display with reverse camera is standard with EH controls. It is optional on mechanical hand controls and mechanical foot controls. The radio is full Bluetooth, so you can hook up your iPhone. The 8-inch LCD multifunction display conveniently shows engine data, performance data, RPM, fuel level, battery voltage, oil and engine temperatures, and has a very nice trip screen. A couple clicks of a button, I can get some vital information about the machine. Engine speed, fuel level, hours, battery voltage, coolant levels, hydraulic oil levels. Fuel rate. It's got a great backup camera. The control panel underneath the screen has been improved. On the EH machine, the controls are switchable between ISO and H pattern. The ignition is now a dial. There is a code that you can program to lock the machine. You can lock the door as well. The size of the push to operate button has been increased, as well as a dial throttle. On your right control stick, you've got similar controls as the 200 series. The buttons have been moved a little bit closer to make it easier for the operator to get to. Same with the left hand. Buttons have moved a little bit closer so I can get to all of them real quick and easy. On the left hand column, you've got similar buttons as the 200 series. Hydraulic unlock, 4-way beacon. One feature that we've added in the 300 series is the addition of creep mode. So what you can do is you can hit this button here. This is great for trenching, great for hooking up implements. Once you hit the button, you'll see this New Holland logo change to a snail logo. Right now it's set to 50% creep. So this is good for trenching, running an asphalt planer, any kind of fine tuning that you may need to do as far as hooking up an implement. And then you can decrease the creep and increase the creep here with the turtle and the rabbit button. You can see as I push the rabbit button, the creep is increasing. It's variable from 1 to 100. Again, I'm pushing the rabbit button to increase creep to what level I want it at. 300 series is equipped with a straight line tracking system. You'll get improved trenching, more of a straight line. It's self-adjusting, so it's easier on the operator to dig a straight trench. There is straight travel assist, which is a straight line tracking. It's been made even better. It needs less manual adjustment. Now you can maintain a straight path even when you're working with heavy attachments. The 300 series can be ordered with EH controls, with mechanical foot controls, or mechanical hand controls.